We make the buildings safe, secure, and clean, a healthy environment for students to learn and our staff to work. And for that, I'm very appreciative. With what's been going on the last year and a half with COVID, everybody's pulled together, stepped out of our comfort zones and done some things we wouldn't normally have done. I've been asked to do some things that we wouldn't comfortable doing sometimes, but I'm so appreciative of everything you've done to keep the kids safe, staff safe, and of all the hard work and the dedication that the people in the maintenance department bring every day. They truly put kids first. I tell you guys all the time, we couldn't run school without you.
I'm Steve Burton, the Computer Operations Manager for Davis County Schools, and also the co-CIO along with Aaron Yazer. And I just want to take this opportunity to really thank the technology team here in Davis County Schools. We've got a great set of techs and technical support people, and it's because of their expertise and dedication that we really have been able to weather this really unusual time and feel like we're set to succeed going into the future.
I really appreciate this opportunity to get to thank our custodial and maintenance staff. You guys have done a phenomenal job taking care of our schools and making it safe and healthy for all our students and staff. You guys have worked through supply shortages, personnel shortages. You've worked through a global pandemic. You worked through an historical event that will be taught in the very hallways you have helped to maintain. As a Davis County school employee that's part of the maintenance staff, I am very proud to be a part of what you guys have accomplished. As a parent of a student, I'm very thankful that you guys are there to work the way that you guys have in a professional manner that have taken care of all students, including one of my own. Again, thank you guys so much for everything that you've done.